Hello all, welcome back. Today we will see how to reverse a particular number or a digit in Java. So let's dive into the code. I will create a new class and we will name this as reverse digit demo. Right. Click on the main, click on finish. Okay. So first we will prompt the user to enter the number. Please enter the number. Right. Okay. We will have to read this using the scanner class. Scanner c equals new scanner system.n. And we will store it inside num. Right. Okay. So now we will declare one more integer as reverse, and I will write down a piece of code to reverse the number, and we will check it later how the code works. Is not equal to 0. In this case we will do reverse equals reverse into 10 plus number mod 10, and number will be equal to number by 10. So this is the piece of code or logic which will kind of reverse the value, and once we are out of this loop, we will get the reversed value. So let's print the reverse number is plus reverse. First let's check if this code is working as expected. Okay, so please enter the number. I will enter as 123. Hit enter. The reverse number is 321. Okay, so the code is working perfectly fine. Now we will try to dig into the logic how the code works. So for this, let's see if we have the input number as 123. So what is happening? First it will go into the loop, and reverse will hold the value as 0 into 10, which is 0 plus number mod 10. So number mod 10 it will get as 3, so reverse will be equal to 3, and the value of number will be equal to number by 10. So the number will become as 12 in the first iteration. So as 12 is not equal to 0, it will go into the second iteration, and here the value of reverse will become reverse into 10, which is 30 plus number mod 10. So now the value of number is 12, so number mod 10 will be 2, so this value becomes 32, and the value of num will become by 10, so the value of num will become 1. So this is the first iteration, this is the second iteration, and now again the value of number is 1, so it will re-enter the loop. So we will have the final iteration, right? I will say that iteration 3, and here the value of reverse will become reverse into 10, which is 320 plus num mod 10, which will be 1, and here the value of reverse becomes 321, and the value of num becomes num divided by 10, which becomes 0. So now the value of number is 0, so this loop is completed, and here we will just print the value of reverse, which is nothing but 3 to 1, the reversed value of 1 to 3. And this is how the code works, and this is often asked in the interview questions. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe this particular video.